This program is brought to you by Clean Blast Abrasive Warehouse, with you to the finish. Cowan and Thompson Construction Inc.'s BF Goodrich Tires, MSR Race Prep, Baja Logistic, Ensenada, Baja, Mexico, Negrito Transmisiones, Nuni Shocks, Media ASAP, stories that connect.
Some bonds don't fade with time. They grow stronger. And when two people share the same passion, the road becomes more than just a path. It becomes a story. Barry and Tim have been riding together for years, not out of obligation, but out of choice. The kind of friendship built on laughter, memories, and thousands of miles of dirt behind them. Today, their journey takes them to San Felipe, Baja California, one of the toughest off-road races, where heat, dust, and the unforgiving desert test what you're truly made of. But this time, it's different, because it's their first race with us. A new team, a new family, same fire burning inside. Before you go full throttle, you need to understand the machine. Trust it, feel it. Out here, you're not just racing with horsepower, you're racing with heart. The desert doesn't care about your age, your story, or your past wins. It only respects courage, endurance, and the will to finish. And here they are, more than drivers, more than friends. Two men who know that what truly matters isn't how fast you go, it's who's riding beside you. This isn't just a race. It's a tribute to friendship, character, and a deep love for life, lived full throttle through dust and adrenaline. This is the story of Barry and Tim. Welcome to the ride of their lives. Behind every great race, there's quiet work being done. Hours of planning, days of preparation, years of experience. At MSR, we don't just build a vehicle, we prepare a mission. Every bolt, every adjustment, every decision is made with one goal: to endure the impossible. To face the harshest desert with the confidence that nothing was left to chance. Because when Barry and Tim step into the car, they're not just stepping into horsepower. They're stepping into the full support of a professional team, precise logistics, and total commitment. MSR handles everything, from professional vehicle prep to every single race day service. Coordination, technical support, pit assistance, refueling. Everything is covered, so the drivers can focus on one thing: racing. Before the wheels ever touch the desert, every system is tested. The car doesn't just need to run. It needs to respond, to hold up, to protect. In off-road racing, there's no room for error. And at MSR, we know that a great race is won before it even begins. This isn't just a race car. It's the result of shared passion for precision, for performance, and for adventure. And that's how MSR turns a dream into reality. The day begins while the world is still asleep. Before the sun rises, we're already in motion. In this world, races aren't won on the track alone. They start the moment the first alarm goes off. Doors open. Checklists are reviewed. Tools are loaded. The entire team moves with purpose. There's a rhythm to it, a system. But above all, there's commitment. Every team member knows their role, and they execute it with precision, care, and pride. The drivers are ready too. Today isn't just any day. Today is the function test. And while the desert still rests, our preparation is already firing on all cylinders. We roll out fully loaded, gear, strategy, mindset. Because before the desert speaks, the car must respond. The function test is more than a systems check. It's the first real connection between the driver and the machine. Every switch has a purpose. Every sound, a signal. Every detail matters when all that lies between you and the finish line is the desert. Barry and Tim don't just test the car. They learn it. They feel it. They make it theirs. It's not just about horsepower. It's about control, reaction, and trusting every system built to take the punishment.
That felt pretty good.
Yeah, bunch of shocks. Took about 10, 15 minutes to warm yourself something, and the car changed dramatically.
Yeah. Give them room in case they have to jump it.
What's the water?
Yeah, you're 180. Or just 190 on water right now.
Good.
Trans is 160.
It was fun. It was fun. Nice little quick session. Good. Truck. It was a little bumpy to start, but once the shocks and everything warmed up, it felt good. Yeah, good job.
After Tim tested the car and confirmed everything was working as it should, the team returned to the work area. Before Barry got behind the wheel, there was one crucial step left: reviewing the race map. The route is long and demanding, and knowing it well can make all the difference. With his experience, Miguel Sandoval took the lead in guiding them. He explained in detail where they could pass, which areas to avoid, and how to approach each section of the course safely and efficiently. Every critical point, every technical zone, every change in terrain was carefully reviewed. It was a moment of strategy, focus, and mental preparation before facing the course. And once everything was clear, Barry got ready for his turn behind the wheel.
Okay, you're on it. Watch the rocks.
Can't see.
Yeah, no. Can't see over that tack, huh?
No.
All right, a little momentum here. A little momentum here. Might have to get your speed up a little bit here. Hard right, hard right, hard right. Yep. Top of the hill, brake right.
Okay.
Top of the hill, brake right. Come on,
Gotcha.
come on.
I got it. I don't want to spin the wheels.
Brake right. Okay. Then you remember we're gonna brake left to get over here. You're safe, you're safe. Speak over the top. Should be good. Take a look. Good job. Right on track. Perfect. All right. You see it?
Yep.
Let's go. Either way.
The practice run went smoothly. The car responded with strength and precision. Everything felt just right. After the function test, with everything the drivers experienced and learned, it's time to head back. The team returns to make final adjustments, fine-tune the details, and make sure the car is ready for the next step: contingency. Because in a race like this, every adjustment matters, and every minute of preparation counts.
I saw Tell me what it is, what you want from me, what you want from me. Tell me what it is, don't tell me what it ain't. They try to throw salt, it just made the pressure raise. Going through a phase, gotta get myself out it. Don't talk about it, boy, they said you gotta be about it. So I be trying to face the world head on. Front seat riding, cruising down the meadows. Pedal to the meadow, cool breeze blowing down the windows. Calm trees, blowing trees, get that boy some headroom. On the interstate in traffic, but I swerve out. What's the moves for the night? What's the word now? What's the links? Hit me up, we could go now. I got hella pieces, she got hella features. Get me hella geeked up, she be blowing shisha. Reefer on me loud, hope them boys don't creep up. I don't know a thing if you do not speak up. In my own world, I don't try to keep up. Tell me what you want, don't be tryna front like I ain't what you want. I ain't here to stun, let me take you out for lunch. I'ma get you drunk, yeah, filling on your buns. Licks in the blunt, I got ash in my cup. All these girls showing up, but I don't give a fuck. Cause you the one I want, girl, you the one I want. Girl, you the one I want. Hey, come and show me love. Shorty wanna be a rider, and I'm feeling high, I can't deny it. She a bad joint named Maya, and when I seen her, man, she looked fire. She got me.
Era the song. Are you recording? Tú eres fría, nunca eras mía. Tú eras mía, no fuiste para mí, mí. Tú eres fría, nunca eras mía. Tú eras mía, no fuiste para mí, mí. Oye mujer, ¿cómo estás y qué vamos a hacer?
San Felipe, Baja California. A coastal town of sea and desert, known for its calm and its competitive spirit. For a few days each year, this quiet corner of the Sea of Cortez becomes the heart of off-road racing. Contingency is where two worlds meet, the world of drivers and the world of the people. It's a space where the thrill of racing collides with the pride of hosting. San Felipe doesn't just welcome the teams, it embraces them. The streets fill with life, and the entire community joins in the celebration. Each vehicle goes through a detailed technical review, safety, paperwork, weight, equipment. But here, the inspection happens in front of a very special audience. Contingency is the only time where there's no speed, but plenty of connection. It's where passion is shared face to face, where people touch, ask, learn, and dream. Every corner smells like tradition. Every bite tastes like desert and sea. This experience doesn't just pass through the eyes, it settles in the heart.
Nunca eras mía, tú eras mía, no fuiste para mí, mí. Tú eres fría, nunca eras mía, tú eras mía, no fuiste para mí, mí.
Barry and Tim are cleared. The car is ready. So is the team. Now comes the next chapter, leaving the celebration behind and facing the challenge. San Felipe has done its part. Now, the desert will speak. Race day has arrived, the moment everyone's been waiting for. Hours of preparation, days of work, weeks of strategy, all lead to this. The tension is real. There's silence and there's noise. Engines speak, dust floats, heartbeats race. Every team has a story, every vehicle a journey to get here. Whether it's the first race or the 100th, the feeling is always the same. In just minutes, everything will change. The town will fade behind, and all that remains is them and the desert. The route is marked. The mind is ready. The body feels it. The race begins.
Took a deal, signed another deal, up in the hills on a real heavy 4 mil, travel with me still, getting kills on this pop pill, got these pop stars trying to pop in, and they getting pop for real, I ain't trying to build, I was trying to lead a mill, getting to it before I hopped up off the block, I was still going through it, runs through it.
One by one, the vehicles begin to roll out. Engines roar, dust kicks up, and the desert begins to wake up. While they head to the start line, we're there, assisting, supporting, preparing every last detail, making sure our team is ready, physically, mechanically, mentally.
I think it's pretty good. I'm pretty stoked right now, a little adrenaline going, but when we get behind the seat and get right up that start line, I'll be ready. Truck, I think the truck's going to do great. I think it'll be perfect for us. Yeah, I just think, slow and smooth, fast and smooth. Just nurse the truck. We're just looking to take care of the truck and get through and try and avoid flats or anything like that, because I think that he's going to be, he'll be steady. He knows what we've got to do to get through it. So hopefully we can stay on course with the GPS and everything and not miss a turn or anything. That's the hard part, is just making sure we stay on track and keep with it. Thank you to the sponsors. McGill set up a great truck for us, and we're really pleased to be running with you guys. That's a big thing with this race, is having the right equipment set up. So we'll go out there and we'll do the best to make his name made.
Post up in the hills on the rail, headed for a mill, travel with me still, getting kills, all this pop appeal, got these pop stars, try popping in.
And here they are, Tim and Barry, two men who know how to live fully, who cherish friendship, and who take on every challenge like it's another great adventure. Today, they're not just racing toward a finish line. They're racing for everything that brought them here, ready for the next test. United, determined, unshakable.
Cause I'm dropping buckets. Ay, yeah, like it's nothing. Ay, earn my respect and burn a budget. Ay, tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby. Yeah, I'm dropping buckets. Got some cash for me, don't worry about my past for me. I'm driving with no gasoline, it's like I live some fantasy. Yeah, I do this for my dogs, all my day ones and my family. My life gon' live through them if I end up in any tragedies.
Thank you.
You got the flag? 3. Right on. Okay, all right. That's it. It doesn't say what's... Okay, right there you go. 37. Go ahead. Come on. Straight away. 34. Go. Straight away, you're gonna ease right, easy right, ease right. Come on. There you go. Straight away. There you go, slow down. A little more, come on. A little more. Okay, go.
Okay.
Oh, you need some speed, I'm telling you. All right, you're gonna be a little running in here, bud.
Yeah.
Come on. Hard. Right. Good job.
I can't see.
Easy over the top.
I gotcha.
That's good job. Where do you go?
Where are we going?
Straight away. Come on. That's a good one. Keep going.
At this stage of the race, categories no longer mattered. All vehicles were now sharing the same ground, the same heat, the same dust, and the same goal. As the miles rolled on, the desert began to show its true nature. The terrain got rougher. The temperatures climbed. And one by one, vehicles began to fall. The course was claiming its victims. And it was time to stop at the pits. Our car was no exception. A broken belt forced us to stop and act fast.
Got any water?
The team didn't hesitate for a second. As soon as the issue was identified, everyone knew exactly what to do. Every move was calculated. Every tool handled with experience. In off-road racing, time doesn't wait, and neither do we. The belt was replaced, systems double-checked, and within minutes, the car was back on course.
Are you good?
Yeah. Hard right. Okay. All right, straight away. Is that one open?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. Pull over here, let's sky mine. Let's sky mine. Go ahead. Come on. What's wrong?
Did you say pull over?
To let that guy right.
Oh.
So we're stuck now.
No, it's got no power.
No power?
Maybe it's a tire, is it? Do you want to... That's flat. We're not spinning or nothing, I don't think. Are we?
The tires are spinning. It's like something's locked up the brakes or something.
I don't know. See if we can call them, huh?
Try it. Try again. Try again. Go. Yeah.
Let me come back a bit. Get off the track a little.
Okay. Don't get stuck there, please. This is the brake
Metal. Is the metal everywhere?
The brakes are locked up.
What mile are we at, Tim?
77.
You are mile 77 and what?
Yeah.
Broncos on your way. Mile 77, you say.
The desert doesn't forgive. Even with the car back on track, the terrain remained relentless. Deep sand, heavy ruts, and tight technical sections made progress difficult. We lost a few minutes stuck in the sand, but we didn't give up. Through effort, strategy, and teamwork, we pushed forward, and the race was far from over.
Good? Nothing.
Big rock, he's in. He's right.
Straight?
Yeah, straight away.
We're still good?
Yeah, we're all
Okay,
good.
brother.
We were only halfway through the course, and the desert still had plenty to say. Up ahead lay one of the most difficult sections of the race: rocky terrain, tight paths, and technical climbs that tested the suspension, the steering, and our patience. This wasn't about speed anymore. This was about precision, caution, and respect for the land. desert, every mile brings the unexpected. And even with a solid logistics plan, sometimes the terrain shifts, and you have to adapt. That's when another team stepped in and helped us with fuel. Because in races like this, beyond the competition, there's a brotherhood among those who understand what it means to be out here. That gesture gave us the push we needed to keep going, and it won't be forgotten. Every person who helps us during a race, no matter how small their role may seem, becomes part of the story. And to each of them, we are truly grateful. The sun began to set behind the mountains, and the desert changed its face. Light faded, the cold set in, and the darkness brought a new challenge. But we kept moving forward, tired but focused, worn down but determined. Every mile brought us closer to the finish line. And even though our bodies were feeling it, our hearts kept pushing forward. After so many hours, so much dust, and so many challenges overcome, there it was, the finish line. It wasn't an easy race. It was a real one. The kind that forces you to give your best and lean on the best around you. Barry and Tim made it. Together, just like they started. Just like they've always done. The finish line doesn't just mark the end of the road. It marks the power of friendship, teamwork, and a deep love for this off-road life. One more finish, one more story, and once again, we did it together.
Tim Spurgeon, hey, you're at the finish line, great job.
Yeah, we made it, we finished. That's what we do, we figured we always come down here, try to finish. If you finish, the rest is history, then you end up where you end up. I had a pretty good day. Got stuck, had a little fan belt problem, but for the most part, just kept digging, no flat tires, and we finished the race, and Barry did a great job. Miguel Sandoval, who takes care of the truck, and his boss here, and all the guys, they did a really, really good job, and they chased us around a little bit, helped us out, did it, so it was a good day all day, so anyway, and here we are finished, so we can't complain about that.
No, not at all. You look pretty happy, so I'm sure we'll see you at the next one.
You'll see what my back says here, but that's the first things first. But yeah, we'd like to come back again. It's always a fun race for us.
All right, let's get down there and celebrate with your team. Great job.
Thank you very much.
Tim Spurgeon there, car number 727.
Races end, but stories stay with us. And this one is worth remembering. Because beyond the speed, the dirt, and the noise, what truly matters is who you share the journey with. Barry, Tim, and the entire team showed that experience, passion, and friendship remain the strongest engine to go the distance. Today, we crossed the finish line. But what we carry with us goes far beyond dust and time. We carry memories, pride, and one more chapter in this life we love.
This program is brought to you by Clean Blast Abrasive Warehouse, with you to the finish. Cowan and Thompson Construction, Inc., BF Goodrich Tires, MSR Race Prep, Baja Logistic, Ensenada, Baja, Mexico, Negrito Transmisiones, Nuni Shocks, Media ASAP, stories that connect.